Let's walk through the severance pay calculator. In Portugal, if your job ends without fault, the compensation depends on your salary and on how many days per year of service the law gives for each period of your contract. First, your monthly base salary. Let's enter €1,200. Next, any monthly seniority allowances, the diuturnidades. We'll leave this at zero. The contract dates below are already set to an example, from January 2015 to May 2023. Instantly, the calculator shows your estimated compensation, along with your total seniority in years and months. The breakdown splits your service into the legal periods, each with its own rate, 12 days a year, then 14 days a year since May 2013, so you can see exactly how the total is built up. That's it. Change the salary or the contract dates, and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.